Are you tired of playing by the rules? Ready to unleash your inner Maverick? Let's dive into the beautiful chaos of life. Embrace the unpredictable, because it's in those wild moments that true innovation flourishes. Forget the cookie-cutter mold society tries to shove us into. You're not a mass-produced item. You're a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. The world craves originality, so stop diluting your brilliance for the sake of fitting in. Every time you conform, you stifle the genius within. Remember, the most groundbreaking ideas come from dare to step outside the lines. Embrace chaos. It's not your enemy, it's your best ally. When you commit to being authentically you, you become a beacon for others. You ignite a fire among the masses, sparking a revolution of thought and action. Be bold, take risks, and when you stumble, laugh at the absurdity of it all. Life's too short to be serious. So gather your courage, obliterate the status quo, and let your true self shine with ferocity. The world needs your unique spark to light the way. Stand tall, be fierce, and let chaos be your creative playground.